Hi, John Reynolds with Solomon Kellers and Brickform Products, here to talk to you about Strip It. Strip It is environmentally sound and user-safe stripper for water and solvent-based acrylic sealers and paints. Strip It contains no methylene chloride and is non-flammable. It can be used on both interior and exterior surfaces and can be used on concrete, masonry surfaces, quarry tile, terrazzo, and other surfaces. Strip It comes in 1-gallon units and 5-gallon pails. Before applying, test Strip It in an inconspicuous area to ensure compatibility. Be careful not to walk on areas where Strip It is being applied, as the product can be very slippery underfoot. If you must walk on an area, wear slip-resistant footwear. Strip It will not work on epoxies, urethane, and polyaspartics. Once Strip It re-emulsifies an existing sealer, make sure to contain it and dispose of it per local environmental regulations. Do not pressure wash Strip It into or on adjacent areas. Apply Strip It using a mop, roller, or sprayer and work in small areas at a time. Use at a coverage rate of about 60 to 100 square feet per gallon. We want to allow about 15 minutes of dwell time, then we want to scrape or scrub the floor with a buffer and a Zim-Grit brush. Pick up or vacuum the solution up, then scrub with a properly diluted general purpose cleaner like Brickform Neutra Clean. For more information on Brickform Strip It, check out our technical information sheet available at brickform.com.